Just a second here. Starter was daydreaming over here or something like that. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now watch for the green. Here we go. Oh no! Did we have a clean start there, Tim? Yeah, it shows it's clean. Jamie just got out. Jamie got. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Okay, so Troy stumbled out on the start. Not sure what happened on that one. This is for all the beans right now, man. All the beans. All right, you guys. This is the finals for the open class. So think about it for a minute. Take a heavy breath. Do a squat. Maybe do a Zim squat, something like that. Yep. Get all loosened up. But this is your final. Who's going to win? Who's going to get first place here? All right, gentlemen. Just watch for the green light. Watch for the green light. Oh, okay. Well, we're fairly even. Let's see what happens on this first here. This is looking to be a really good race. Oh! Troy stumbles a little bit there. He stumbles a little bit and he misses. Yeah, he missed the beam and Josh goes through. Josh now wins the open class. Let's go ahead and get our pictures with our photographer. Grab the pictures real quick for the open class. Josh is going to present the pit mat. And one on the other side, like just put your arms around him, you know. No, what? You know what? You better not do that.
Another chance. Put it in your pockets.
All right, for a second, third, open class. Let's give them a round of applause. Good job to all you drivers. Open is now complete. We got 2 classes left.